Omimasu ka? How about the playing style?
Biru wa nomu.
Okay. Biru nomu? The accent. Accent nito pataas. Ka. When you say ka means what? Question. You're asking, right? By this time, the polite style, you need to use this one. Desu ka? Sa plain style, no need to use the ka. Or, you can use the ka, but iku ka, wala na yung des. Kuha class. You can use also the ka, but the intonation, you can use the ka for questions, but